SP3005 CNC Programmable DC power supply officially launched. Efficient and stable. Micro-level high-precision 4-figure display. Various modes for option. Applied to audio equipment development, basic electronics experiment, maintenance and debugging, and low-noise power supply. Main interface. Plug in the power. Turn on the device. We can see the main interface of the device. The characters on the top row respectively are device name, booting time, software version, buzzer. The large number in the middle represents voltage, current and power. The working modes on the right include constant current mode, constant voltage mode, overcurrent protection, and overvoltage protection. The 3 sets of data at the bottom are voltage and current shortcut channels. Press M1, M3 buttons to switch. The current can be adjusted through the left knob. Adjust voltage with the right knob. Long press any M button to save the data to the corresponding channel. Press the set button to switch among curve, meter, digital interfaces. There is a Type-C DC output port next to the knob. Support 30W fast charging QC/PD protocols output. The Type-C interface below is used for data transmission and software upgrade. Input. Connect the 2 alligator clip cables to the red and black DC sockets on the device. Then connect the grounding wire to the yellow port. Here we prepared a small fan. Connect the alligator clip cables to the positive and negative poles of the small fan. Long press the set button to enter the settings interface. Select Output Protection. Because the max current of the small fan is 0.3 A and the max voltage is 12 V. Here we set overcurrent protection to 0.3 A and overvoltage protection to 12 V. When the output current or voltage exceeds the set value, the output will automatically shut down. Back to the main interface. Select on M1 and press any knob to turn on output. The small fan runs normally. Select on M2. The output voltage switches instantly. Press the knob again to turn off output. Press the knob again to turn on output. Select on M3 due to voltage exceedance. The output turns off automatically. Settings interface. Long press the set button to enter the settings interface. The first one is language. You can switch between Chinese and English. The second one is sound. You can turn it on or off. After turning off, the device will enter mute mode. The third one is standby. You can choose to turn it on or off. After turning on, set it as 10 seconds. Back to the main interface. The device enters standby status automatically after 10 seconds. Press any button to exit standby mode. The fourth one is voltage adjustment. There are 3 amplitudes for selection. Select the first amplitude. It can be adjusted based on your own needs. Back to the main interface. Rotate the knob to adjust voltage or current. The voltage is adjusted in units of 0.2 V. The fifth one is current clear. You can clear it as 0 or restore it. The sixth one is output protection. You can set the value for overcurrent/overvoltage protection. You can also turn it on or off. The seventh one is restore. You can reset all settings to default. The eighth one is device. It includes device name, model and software version, etc. Software upgrade. Connect the device to computer with a Type-C cable. Open AiXun software. When a new version is updated in the future, select on the version you need, then click Upgrade to upgrade to the latest version. Power off the device. Above are all the operations of SP3005. To learn more about AiXun products and software updates, please follow AiXun YouTube channel AiXun or official website www.aiXun.com.